So, this plane, that's its fourth nose. Because I built it for my son originally, and it is still his plane technically. And then he crashed it once, I rebuilt it. Then I think I flew it with a big ass 3200 milliamp hour 4S battery, which is like twice the size of what the battery is in there right now.
Yeah.
And it got away on me so much that I think I must have had it going too fast in a dive, and the surfaces just couldn't pull it out of it. So then I crashed it, repaired the nose again, or replaced the nose rather, and then I think I've let other, well, no, it would have been Mark crashing the third one, and then now this is the fourth one.
Nice.
So I love the fact that that's what's really handy about the foam board, is no matter what hole or infraction you have on the foam, you can just cut a piece out of it as if it were to be like, say, a square piece, and put a liquid glue on it, and you're able to send it again. And whereas balsa wood planes, you spend months building. To me, it is pretty tragic when those go down.
You ever have birds attack these things?
Yeah, they like to try to chase them for sure. And I also like to try to chase them and hit them. Yeah, I have my full stick trim like all the way forward, and it's just the aerodynamics right now because it's so windy that it wants to take the plane up and up and up.
I feel like it's pulling in the front.
Exactly, because of those little wings on the front, the canards.
Like the thing the battery's in right now.
Yeah, pretty much.
And the battery being on one side doesn't offset the weight too much, then it's like wobbly.
Exactly. It's got pretty good wing loading, I think, overall. And so that's why I'm never really concerned about where the electronic is sitting on this model. And yeah. I did have one that I had let other people fly, but because the intake got kind of mashed up on it, I just stole all the electronics and need to put them on a new one. Sometimes I've mixed in the down elevator too on a full throttle situation like this, and it will also help with maintaining more level flight, if you will.
What's the distance on your
So I try to stay within 2 football fields,
okay.
and otherwise you are going to have a hard time keeping orientation. And that truly is, I feel, the biggest thing to learn with RC planes is which way is it actually going when it's far away? And if you don't have good paint job that shows up depending on the lighting situation. And as much as you'd think that it would be easy to chase each other to try to, like, say if you put a piece of toilet paper or party streamers on the end, it's pretty difficult. They say it's easier to smash into each other if you're trying to do formation flying.
Dog fights.
Well, and
Kamikaze.
yeah, for sure. I don't know, man. If you knew how to put an airsoft gun on here, I would want to learn what that would be involving. I've sent planes into a barbed wire fence before, and I pulled them off, and then I just chuck them, and they float.